unique. How about over at DOJ? Once again, you all are on a tear. I use an urban legend out there about how the 3 data center goal got identified at Department of Justice. And you all are really laser focused on making sure that you meet that goal.
Thank you for inviting the department to participate again. We love these panels and talking about our successes and progress in this area. So yeah, so DOJ has had this long 3 data center core enterprise facility goal for over a decade now. And I think as we reflect back, sometimes keeping the message simple, right, and sticking to it will eventually help us move forward slowly but surely. So yeah, we are excited. We have closed 99 data centers since we started this initiative back in 2010. Tom Santucci was part of that with me over the years, as well as you, Luke, and others. Much smarter than, I know you were much smarter than me, but others have been much smarter in setting the stage for this strategy. And I've been fortunate to work alongside Tom and others to help sort of carry this forward. It's bread and butter for us these days, so it's wonderful to see. We are hoping to see our 100th data center this fiscal year. We should. We're expecting to, so we'll do a little fanfare for that. So it's exciting to think about that kind of progress we've made. We have closed, as a result of those closures, over 50% of our data center square footage over the years. So that's over 137,000 square feet. So that was a nice milestone. Through these closures, it's about $155 million in savings cumulatively. So that's on the conservative side. And over these last couple of years, we've really seen this huge ramp up going to the cloud. So as folks have figured out their strategy going forward, whether they're hybrid or all data center or all commercial cloud, we have a couple components that are trending to 100% all cloud with zero data center footprint. But we're starting to see more progress towards that end. We have about 40% of our VMs now are in the cloud, so it's a huge surge up these last couple of years. So we're seeing the momentum there. So as folks have gotten their strategy in place, are getting comfortable with the technology, we're starting to see the larger collections consider going to commercial cloud, where we hadn't seen that before. And now that's going to start pushing the envelope for additional savings, optimizations, more enterprise agreements that are more cost effective for cloud hosting. So I think we'll see that as well in our future. And we've, with that additional growth in cloud, movement servers, our storage in the cloud has increased over 300% the past couple of years. So it's definitely is on the path towards that direction. The other thing we're seeing is it's, as I mentioned, kind of bread and butter. Our data center services operations, they're running smoothly, really, knock on wood, constant, consistent uptime, very few outages or sort of blips. We're maturing under the department's ISO 20000 processes and just really dotting our I's and crossing our T's with our service metrics. And then we've recently are making our billing consumption available via dashboard to our tenants, so they can go in and drill down and look at their cost projections, see how they're spending. So again, continuing to try and mature that type of experience for our tenants and for cost projections going forward.